looking nice and clean, the prettiest grid I've ever seen. ZX is climbing step by step, promises that the printer kept. Watching plastic turn to gold in the silent heat of the mold. Print it out, layer by layer, dreaming of things that I'm gonna make here. In the glow of the LCD screen, everything's perfect, everything's green. Watch it grow, watch it rise, my mechanical lullaby, my mechanical lullaby. Halfway there, the frame is tall, shadows dancing on the wall. Fan is humming a quiet song. Time is moving, but not for long. Just a few hours, maybe more, waiting for what I'm looking for. Filament spooling round and round, making such a rhythmic sound. Print it out, layer by layer,